Hi everyone, welcome to another property showcase from PropertyCozy.com. I am Tavia and I will be your property guide for today. Please remember to like, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified when a new property is available. Let's get into it.
This property is above road level, allowing for a view from the downstairs patio and the balcony upstairs. It is well built with excellent treatment of lighting and ventilation. The floor plan is easy to work with and it flows. Some cosmetic upgrades could be advantageous, although building construction was completed in 2016. External work, for example, landscaping and some fencing remain to be completed. The location of this house is in Mount Royal Close, Stony Hill, and the land area is approximately 10,698 square feet. Some other features of this house includes ceramic tiles, water tank, grilled, main level entry, cable, easy access to amenities, private settings, view of the city, quiet area, seniors oriented, road paved, and pets are allowed in this community. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 50 million or US $325,000. Now, let's take a look at this house and please leave a comment and let us know your thoughts.
Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Also, for more details on this property, please visit the description area below. I am Tavia and I was your property guide for today. Until next time, put God first and keep safe.